Hey guys, I'm Ratika here. So today I'm going to show you how I do my own facial and hair spa at home. I want my skin to look and feel super clean, fresh and glowy, and I want my hair to look soft, shiny, bouncy and have all the nourishment to it. Also, I'm going to show you how I get rid of my facial hair, like how I groom my eyebrows, how I clean my upper lip. So all of that is coming up. So if you want to know how I achieve it, please keep watching. Okay, firstly, I want to thank each and every one of you for supporting me. I recently hit 100k. Thank you so much, you guys. It means the world to me. I love you so much. Okay, so first we are going to start with hair. Now, for the hair spa, I'm going to be doing an oil hair spa. This is a very traditional method. Everyone loves doing it. I absolutely love doing it. I at least do like oil hair spa once a week or sometimes twice a week, and I love the results. So today, for the oil hair spa, I'm going to be using a mixture of coconut oil, olive oil and almond oil. You can easily use either of them, any one of them, or whatever oils that are available at your place. Okay, I'm gonna take like a good amount of coconut oil, a few drops of olive oil and 8 to 10 drops of almond oil, and I am gonna heat this. You want to make sure that you heat your oil. You want your oil to be warmer so that it sinks very deep into your scalp and provides all the nourishment. So I'm just putting it out in my oven for like 30 seconds. And now you can apply this oil with a cotton, like a cotton ball, or you can go ahead and apply it with your fingers. I love applying it with my fingers because I already have my body temperature warmth on my fingers, so it helps in penetrating the oil even further. So I'm going to section my hair right in the center and start applying it in parts with my fingers itself. And make sure you're not using your nails to rub your scalp. That may cause irritation. Make sure you're using the pads of your fingers. Once I've applied this, I'm going to start massaging this oil in my scalp, and I'm going to give myself like a good 10 to 15 minute massage. Again, make sure that you're using the tips of your fingers, not your nails. And this will make you feel so relaxed. It's the best time when you're getting massage on your head. So as I'm giving myself a little bit of massage, I'm gonna educate y'all a little bit regarding the oils that I've used. So basically, almond oil makes your hair like super healthy and strong, and it has antibacterial properties. So if you have dandruff, it's very, very good for that as well, curing dandruff. And then there is olive oil. Now olive oil actually moisturizes your hair pretty well. That's how you get that shiny, bouncy hair. And coconut oil is like a staple, you guys. In our environment, we need coconut oil because it protects our hair. And then I'm just gonna spread the oil all over my hair, give myself a good combing, and I'm gonna tie this in a bun away from my face, and I'm gonna let this sit for like say a couple of hours, or you can even apply this overnight. Until the time my hair is soaking all the goodness, we are gonna move on to the facial. Okay, now I'm first gonna clean my face because I know a lot of oil is like transferred to my face, so I want to get rid of that because I don't want my face to be super oily. That way I start getting breakout. So I'm just cleaning my face with my micellar water. This one is the Bioderma's Sebium H2O micellar water, and you will see so much dirt has come out. Look at that. Ooh, ew. Yeah, so I like to clean my face before I go ahead and wash it. So now the next step is washing my face. I'm going to use this Himalaya Neem face wash. I have been using this since ages, you guys. It's one of the best face washes if you have acne prone skin, if you have oily skin. I feel like this is so good. I'm just applying a headband so that no hair falls on my face, because the next step is removing facial hair. So yeah, I don't want any like hair from my scalp coming on my face. So I'm gonna do threading. So all you need is a basic stitching thread. You do not need to go ahead and buy the professional threading thread. This one is just a normal thread that I have with me. And I like to take a little bit of powder and apply it on my upper lip wherever I'm going to remove my hair, because I want that area to be pretty dry. If it's moist, then there are chances that you might cut your skin, so make sure that you powder the areas. And then I'm going to take like from the tips of my fingers to the elbow, that much long thread, and I'm going to loop it and knot it, and then I'm going to twist the thread like 8 to 10 times. And this is the action, the scissor action that you're going to be using to thread your own hair. Guys, this needs practice. So the first time it might not be perfect. I remember the first time I was horrible at this. Now I've gotten a hang of it, so I'm really like well versed with it. So I'm going to start by removing my mustache hair, as you can see. Okay, now for eyebrows, I'm first gonna clean the lower part of my eyebrows. For that, I'm just taking all my eyebrow hair and combing it upward so that they don't come in the middle and I don't accidentally, remove excess hair. I have done that, you guys. Trust me, this is tried and tested. So I always like to brush my hair up if I'm doing like cleaning my lower part of my eyebrows, and then I'll start threading slowly. Go very slow with this. I really take my time with this. I don't rush it, because if I rush it, I might end up cutting myself. It is just a little bit painful, but then I've gotten used to the pain, so I don't mind it. If you have like thicker, coarser hair, it might pain you even more. I don't have that thick hair and I don't have that much hair, so for me it's easier to do it like that. I do not go to an eyebrow lady to do my eyebrows because I don't trust anyone. I've been doing my eyebrows since ever now. I think it's been 2 years. So yeah, I groom my own eyebrows and I do my own upper lip. And then when I'm doing my, when I'm cleaning my upper region, I'll brush the hair downwards and start threading the upper area as well. So I don't shave my face. I am scared and I feel like if I start shaving my face, I'll have to keep doing it again and again, and I don't have the patience. So no shaving for me. Okay, then after I've done cleaning, if I feel like the thread did not remove like small little hair that is left over on my face, I will just take a tweezer and tweeze them out. Okay, next is exfoliating. Now I like to use a very gentle exfoliator. I want all the dead skin to like come out, but I don't want my face to feel very dry and felt like someone has literally scratched my face. So I like to use this one. This is the Pax deep exfoliating peel off. Now trust me guys, this is like once you apply it on your face and start scrubbing, you will have these small little soft cotton like particle coming out of it, and that helps in exfoliating it very gently, and it genuinely makes my skin like super smooth and soft and like literally baby like. So if you don't have this, you can also use something called as malai. मलाई इज दूध जब उबालते हैं तो उसके ऊपर जो मलाई का लेयर होता है, just take that and start rubbing it on your skin. That way it's like a very similar texture to the one that I'm using right now, and it will help in moisturizing as well as exfoliating. So that's the best part. Now yeah, I just went ahead and washed my face with water. Now it's time for some extraction, some deep extraction from my skin. I needed to get rid of all the whiteheads, the blackheads. Since I have oily skin type, I have larger pores, so I like to do this at home. So I don't really have that fancy steamer. I just go ahead, boil some water and take a steam for like say 5 to 10 minutes. I just take a towel and dip my head in the steam. Don't go too close, you might end up burning yourself. Just keep yourself a little bit further away from the steamer, and I will open up my pores. Steaming opens up your pores and makes the extraction process easier. And for extraction, I am going to be using this tool that I have. You can get this in any of the medical stores. And I'm going to use the loop that comes behind on this region to remove all the blackheads and whiteheads. And be very, if you're doing this, please be very gentle with it. Don't press too much. If you feel like the pimple is not coming out or the blackhead is not coming out, don't go over it many times. Just a couple of times and that's it. Otherwise you might end up having marks. I'm gonna remove all the gunk and you will see all the whiteheads coming out, you guys. It's gross. If you don't like seeing this, skip this part. Just forward it by like 30-40 seconds. Just see that dirt. Ugh, horrible. I'm also going to clean my nose, but I don't go too hard on my nose with this extraction because it pains me. So for that I have another hack that I've been doing, which you'll see later. So yeah, once my extraction is done, I want to remove all the gunk from my nose. So for that I'm going to use a nose strip. This one is the Moly egg pore strip. This is really good. I've been using this quite often and my nose is pretty much like, I have very few whiteheads on my nose now. So I just wet my nose and apply this pore strip, and it takes 10 minutes to dry completely and then I can pull it off. So I'm also going to be masking, and I'm going to be using like a glowy mask. I don't want to like go ahead and use a pore extraction mask. I don't want anything strong. I want my skin to now cool down because we've done quite a lot. So I want it to cool down. So that's the reason I'm using like a glowy mask. You can also go ahead and use sheet mask. Since I have a pore strip, so I'm not going to use a sheet mask, but sheet masks are also really good at this point because they help in like cooling down your face and soothing it down and adding the nourishment that you need. So the one that I am using is this plunge honey glow mask, and it's really good. It smells also so good. And I'm gonna let this sit on my face for 10 to 15 minutes. Now it's time to remove the spore strip and look at the amount of dirt that comes out. Now, because I had steamed my face, all my pores were open, so pretty much everything came out. I don't know whether you can see much, but I'll try and show you the amount of whiteheads that are there on this pore strip. And I'm just taking a wet towel and wiping my face and removing this face mask, and as you can see, my skin is so glowy, refreshed. Okay, now it's time for me to go ahead and wash my hair. I'm gonna go take a bath and I'll be right back to show you my final steps. So I didn't really show you with what I washed my hair because I haven't been like completely truthful to any one particular shampoo. I'm trying out quite a lot right now because nothing is really suiting me, but yeah. So now I'm gonna move on to my skincare. I'm first gonna like tone my skin. This is the Pixi Glow Tonic. I love this toner. It literally makes my skin like super duper glowy. I love this toner. So I want the toner to completely get absorbed into my skin. So I'm going to wait a couple of minutes. Till that time, I'm going to apply my lip balm. This is the Laniege lip sleeping mask. I love this. You guys know this by now. And then since we did a glowy mask, I'm not going to apply too many products on my skin. I'm just going to apply this serum. This is a white seed serum by the Face Shop. I've been using this since years. I love it to bits. Just makes my skin like super glowy, fresh, and also literally brightens it. And then I'm gonna finish it off with a little bit of facial massage. Facial massage will help all the blood start flowing into your skin and you will look flushed. Yeah. Okay, and then I'm gonna finish it off with some eye cream. This is the Kaya's eye serum. It's a very lightweight serum, so I apply this during the morning time because it's super duper light. It's not very heavy and it makes my like eyes deep puff and all of that. And I will lightly massage under my eyes just to get the blood flowing. And then finally, hair serum. This is the Kiehl's hair serum. I have no idea what it is called. I'm going to mention everything in the description box below. But I love this hair serum. It smells so good. It literally makes my hair like non-frizzy. I have a lot of like frizzy hair, but this literally tames it down and makes my hair like super duper soft and all. And I'm going to let my hair dry completely naturally. I'm not going to blow dry or anything of that sort. So it's gonna naturally dry. And also, since I have wavy hair, I like to like scrunch my hair up so that the waves are intact, and this helps my hair look more voluminous. So yeah, that's my trick to make my hair look like super duper voluminous, even though I have like really thin hair, really less hair, but no one comes to know that. It's our little secret. So yeah, that's it for my at home hair spa, facial, skincare. I hope you guys enjoyed it. A lot of you guys were asking me for this. I hope it helps you guys out, and I hope everyone is safe at home. This is the best time to sit at home and do your own facial, your own hair spa. So take advantage of that. I'm gonna go now, and I'll see you all in my next video very soon. Until then, bye.